Andreas, lovely to be on your booth again. There's some new products here I haven't seen before. Can you tell me about them?
Yes, so here on EMO we are having a world premiere showing first our condensed capability in terms of live tooling, driven tooling solutions that can really enhance and improve productivity on turning machines. And if you really look at all the applications of turning machines now, it's multifunctional tools with turrets and everything. So only, I would say, 40 to 50% are actually really turning. But we show here with our dual lock system, our shrink collet system, our capabilities integrating it in turrets and driven tools. We have some cooperation going on with different driven tools suppliers, the WTO, EWS, Index, and other providers, Benz, and also with their quick change system. So really what you can do is you can use the technology of shrinking collets and integrate it in order to reduce the setup times. In most cases you still have very long setup times when you look at these multi-axis machines, and when you open up the doors of these machines, the temperature goes out, you have to run it off again, you have scrap, you have to really, like sometimes it takes 5 minutes to check in the position, but with our systems you change it and you're ready to go. So this is what we show on this display here with a turret, with different operations. We show a world premiere, the first additively made brake disc by Bugatti that is actually machined with our tools. So it's additively printed out of titanium, and it's fine machined with our tooling. So we are very proud with an angle head with Benz in cooperation to be part of such a revolutionary technology and change in the technology. So that's what we show here: dual lock, shrink collets, and everything around live tooling actually.
I must say the brake caliper is stunning. If we go back to the driven tools, how does the shrink compare to an ER collet, which is quite often seen on a turret?
Well, the shrink collet actually has the same advantages like you use regular shrink fit holders. They have wonderful rigidity. You have a push button system, so you push the button, you have 3 micron runout accuracy, so no ticking the runout. You're shrinking it in, cooling it down, and within 3 seconds really it's done basically. And the consistency is key. You have no cleaning of the collet, no maintenance, nothing. It's so easy, and you reduce setup time. So you can offline of the machine, you can set the lengths instead of looking for the lengths in the machine, which costs you a lot of setup time and money. I mean, those machines cost a lot of money, and $100 or pound per hour is not seldom actually. And if you can reduce it from 5 minutes to 5 seconds, it's a big time saver there.
For sure. And the other thing I was going to say, heat shrinking, it's very important to get it correct, isn't it? Because some of these, the wall thicknesses are quite shallow, they're quite thin, in which case it's easy to damage a collet.
That's absolutely right, and that's why Haimer, as world market leader when it comes to inductive shrinking machines, is a complete comprehensive system. So we have a solution that you just simply scan with a motorized coil. It's automatically the software adjusts the right heat parameter in order to get it right from the start. There's no overheating, nothing. We have it temperature controlled in combination with our shrinking machines. It's a foolproof concept, I would say.
So Haimer no longer just for milling machines?
That's absolutely right. So basically you can use the huge technology advantages now for your turning and live tooling machines, and that's pretty new. That's why it really has been a magnet here on the exhibition. It's day 3. A lot of people are stunned to see the possibilities integrating proven technology out of milling into turning and live tooling.
Thank you, and have a great show.
Thank you very much for visiting here. It's our pleasure to have our most important partner out of the UK here. Thank you very much. Thank you.